Hello guys, welcome back to the second chapter of this first part. So we are going to see the best Forex currency pairs to scalp. So there are a lot of traders who want to trade all markets at any time, and that's wrong. To be a successful scalper, you have to choose your market. I mean your best currency pairs based on the criteria below. So the first criteria is the liquidity and volatility, because if you choose a currency pair that is not liquid or volatile, you will not have opportunities to scalp. So non-volatile and liquid market will not give you enough opportunities. A very volatile market requires greater rapidity and reliable connection and excellent commissions. The second part is spread and commissions. You need to select a broker that offers you tight spread and competitive price and competitive commissions. So that's important thing that scalper need to add to his knowledge, because that will impact his trading profits. So you need to have a plan to how to fix that and how to do that in a perfect way. So you have to favor liquid and volatile currencies such as major pairs, also for its tight spread, like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD GPY, or Euro GPY. I did a comparison of spread on the major currencies. As you can see here, GBP USD, the spread is 0.4 pips. The bid is the difference. The spread is the difference between bid and minus ask, because in Forex market we have two prices. We have the bid and the ask. This is the bid and this is the ask. Bid minus ask, you will find the spread. Okay, so I will erase that. And for the second currency we have Euro USD, which have a very tight spread, 0.1 pips. Also USD GPY 0.2 pips. We have here the GBP GPY, which have the biggest pips. It's not large enough, but 1 pips it's good for scalping, because GBP GPY it's a very volatile market, so it's very good for scalping. So 1 pips on GBP GPY it's not dangerous for your trading results. In this slide you have to take a look at the spread of the minor and exotic currencies, which I will advise you to be aware of those currencies on scalping, but on day trading or swing trading you can trade them. So take a look at the IOD odd CAD currency pair, have 1.2 pips, and here USD MXN, which have 27 pips. So it's very large for scalpers. As a scalper searching to catch movement from 5 to 10 pips or 20 pips, so if you have a spread of 27 pips, so you can open your trade and in few seconds you will get stopped. So that will impact your trading strategy and trading performance. That's the point that I want you guys to understand. And here we have a cross pair of CHF GPY at 150 ticks time frame, I'm doing this time frame for opening a position because it optimize your entry. That's it. So as we can see here, the CHF-JPY, it's not a very liquid market, and also the characteristics of CHF-JPY, that it's very choppy. So as you can see, the market is doing nothing. It's ranging in the same place with a big tail. So in this market, you cannot scalp it. You can scalp it. You can sometimes have a good opportunity to scalp it, but it's not very profitable. This market also, I advise you to not scalp this market. Look at this beauty. Here we have the chart of GBP GPY at the same time frame. So here in the same day we have a lot of opportunities to scalp. We can see here a good entry to take 20 pips, I think, or 30 pips. We have a second entry here. We have the third and fourth entry. We have the fifth entry here, and the risk is very low. The risk is very low here in this configuration. So in my strategy, I will focus to show you how to catch like those configurations in the Forex market to be very profitable and to catch very low risk and high reward scalps. Okay, so there is a big difference between this currency pair and this currency pair, CHF-JPY and GBP-JPY. GBP-JPY is a good currency pair to scalp. I will show you in the next chapters how to analyze the markets to get very amazing opportunities like this. The importance of specializing and scalping. The first point, if you are not specialized in certain amount of currency pairs, you will be in the danger of dispersing. A trader dispersed try to catch all the movements in different currency pairs, and the result losing a lot of money. So the second point, it's imperative to master your market. When you choose a certain amount of currency pairs, like me, I'm just analyzing 5 currency pairs. When you choose a certain amount of currency pairs, you will master those markets, so it's easy for you to understand those currency pairs when you trade or when you have to stay away on and wait. That's the point that I want you guys to understand also in how to choose the best currency pairs to trade. The third point, you need to be focused during the trading session, because scalping, it's very fast. It's not day trading or swing trading where you have a lot of time to think and to confirm configurations and confirm patterns. So in scalping, you have to be focused and not disturbed by your phone or WhatsApp or Facebook or I don't know what. I'm personally specialized on the below currency pairs because of their liquidity, volatility, and their tight spread. So the first currency pair, it's Euro USD, the second GBP USD, the third it's GBP GPY, the fourth it's Euro GPY, and the USD GPY. Just for analyzing this pair, we will see that in next chapters. Thank you guys for watching the second chapter of this course. See you soon.